Most Americans are wasting thousands of dollars every year, often without realizing it. In this video, I'll share 10 powerful money hacks that can save you big on taxes, bills, groceries, and more. Stick around until the end. Hack number 1 could save you over $3,000 alone. These hacks are simple, practical, and anyone can start using them today. Whether you're a student, a family, or just looking to stretch your paycheck, these tips will help you keep more money in your pocket. Let's dive in. Hack number 10 first. Hash 10. Use cashback and rewards apps. Save automatically when shopping online with apps like Rakuten, Honey, or Capital One Shopping. They drop cash back, apply coupons, and stack with your card rewards. Scaling tip: stack cashback plus coupons plus credit card points for max value. Small percentages become big dollars yearly. Hash 9. Switch to high-yield savings accounts. Traditional banks pay near zero. HYSs like Ally, Sophie, or Discover can pay 4-5%. Even small rate differences compound over time. Scaling tip: automate transfers to capture compound interest consistently. Let your money work while you sleep. Hash 8. Cut recurring subscriptions you don't use. Many Americans pay for services they forget: streaming, apps, memberships. Use tools like Truebill or Rocket Money to find and cancel them. Scaling tip: audit accounts quarterly and negotiate or cancel what's unused. A few cancellations each year can save hundreds. Hash 7. Use credit card rewards responsibly. Points, cashback, and travel perks add up when used right. Always pay in full to avoid interest-erasing rewards. Scaling tip: funnel big recurring expenses through rewards cards and pay off monthly. Treat rewards as a bonus, not free money. Hash 6. Shop smarter with bulk buying and generic brands. Warehouse stores and generics often cut costs dramatically for families, combined with store loyalty programs for extra savings. Scaling tip: pair bulk buys with cashback cards and loyalty offers. Stocking smart reduces per unit cost and shopping trips. Hash 5. Meal prep to reduce food waste. Batch cook, freeze extras, and plan meals to avoid spoilage. Average American wastes around $1,200 in food per year. Scaling tip: use meal planning and shopping lists to reduce impulse buys. Smart prepping saves time and money. Hash 4. Negotiate bills and insurance. Calling providers or using comparison tools can lower internet, phone, and car insurance costs. Shop and bundle to unlock discounts. Scaling tip: compare quotes yearly and negotiate renewal prices. Even a small % off saves hundreds annually. Hash 3. Use tax-advantaged accounts like 401k, IRA, and HSA. Contributing pre-tax dollars lowers taxable income and grows tax deferred. Over years, tax savings compound into significant wealth. Scaling tip: always max your employer match. It's free money. Start early to get the biggest benefit. Hash 2. DIY repairs can save hundreds. YouTube tutorials and community forums walk you through common fixes. Small repairs for home or car often cost much less than service calls. Scaling tip: build skills gradually. Safety first, save hundreds per year. A few DIY wins add up fast. Hash 1. Automate saving and investing. Pay yourself first. Set up recurring transfers and automate investments with robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront. Automating removes friction and builds wealth over time. Scaling tip: start small and increase contributions with raises. Hash 1 is often the single biggest saver. That $3,000 or more per year adds up. By using these 10 hacks, you could save thousands every single year. Which hack will you start with? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more ways to make, save, and grow your money. Thanks for watching.